Hey guys, I'm JD with Guaranty RV. Today we are looking at a 2018 Jayco 212 QBW. In the front you are going to have two 7-gallon propane tanks, 2 batteries, and your solar panel ready plug-in. Then on the side we are going to get a nice little storage feature underneath, and then up top we are going to get the power awning, the 2 top speakers, and then a little plug-in for whatever you have. Now this is going to be like the off-road edition, so you do have the upgraded wheels and tires. Gives it a little, that kind of like that mean look. Off to the back we're going to get the spare tires, and then on this side we are going to get your cable, satellite, TV inputs, hookups, your water drains, your main power supply hookups here, your outside shower, and then more plug-ins for your city water. For your gray and black tank, it's going to be right in front of this wheel here, so it's pretty easy to get to. And then nice thing, this is going to weigh pretty about like 3,400 pounds, so you could tow it with a small SUV. Going inside the unit, you are going to have a lot of space for how small of a trailer this is. You are going to get your sink, your stove, your dinette, your kind of couch. Both of these do kind of turn into beds. You're going to get windows all the way around, a place to hook up your TVs, your surround sound in here as well, and then you do have heat and AC. In the bathroom, you're going to have some space to move around, take a shower if you're 6 foot tall. Now if you're taller than 6'5", you probably couldn't. But into your bed, from the far side, we're going to get some storage underneath, plug-ins on both sides, and then a nice little small TV hooked up in the corner. And the price on this is fantastic, around $15,900. So if we do have any questions on it, give me a call at 541-954-4683. And it is a 2017 Jayco. Thanks guys.